Hello, good afternoon. My name is Bilton and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this year, Kasozi Junior School decided to distribute holiday packages on the official school website, and I'm here to take you through. I'm going to show you how to download the packages and how to pay using mobile money. So let's start, and you're going to copy this link, the description, or you can just type it. Yeah, kasozijuniourschool.ac.ug. Then you paste it in your browser. So now you will see the official school website. In the menu, there is a button for holiday package. When you click this button, you will see different packages. We have from top class till primary 6. So now you will choose the package you're interested in. For P6, you want P6, you click. You want P5, you want P1. Yeah, for my tutorial case, I'm going to add P1. So when you see a tick after clicking add cart, it means this item or this package has been added to your cart. So now after it has been added, you click here, you go back to the menu. The last item in the top right of the menu. When you click cart, you will see here your holiday package. Now if you want to increase the quantity, if you have like 2 children in P1, you just press this button and then you keep on adding to cart. Then after pressing this, you update cart so that the prices change. Now it is 20,000 for 4 children. But if you want 1 child, you reduce. Just click here. Then you update cart so that the prices change. So now we have 5,000 for that holiday package. And now you click proceed to payment. When I proceed to payment, I'm going to fill in my information. This is my first name, the parent name, and then where I stay, my telephone number, and then my email. Then here under notes, I'm going to write the note, the name of the child. In this case, my child is say Agnes. Kylie. By default, this is what is selected, but now I have to change it to pay using mobile money. And I'll click place order. After placing order, please click make payment. So when I click make payment, I'll wait for a pop-up. Now this pop-up says mobile money is selected red. If I want to pay using card, like Visa card, those who have cards that support online payment, you choose card. If I want to use Google Pay, I choose that one. But for our case, we preferred mobile money for all. But in case you have a Visa card, you can still pay using your card. Yeah, we support American Express, Vavo card, MasterCard, Visa card, and any other card that works within Uganda, online payments. Then let's choose mobile money, the easiest way. So you type in the number that has mobile money. Then you make payment, click pay. Then after that you proceed. You will be redirected to complete this payment. Then you click proceed. When you click proceed, an OTP will show up. Get your phone and then you type in that OTP. It's in messages. There are 6 digits. You type these digits here. Now these digits verify your phone number and then you need to validate. After validating, a pop-up has been sent on my phone that says I need to confirm my PIN. So when I enter my PIN number, it says payment was successful. So now after making payment, I can proceed. Check in my email. So here, when I check on my email, there is a receipt from Technovol. holdings. That confirms that you've paid. And now there is here a note added. A note has been added. This note just confirms that you can download, and then in here you can download. You select here, you just click on it, and then it will direct you to the school website. Where's the download page, and then you click download the PDF, and then just download. Just keep tapping these ones under this section of download. Yeah, and then thank you for using the platform. In case you have any questions, feel free to let me know on my contact. I'm going to write it for you here. You can call me, or you can call the head teacher or the school secretary. Or the school secretary, and then we'll be able to support you. It's my contact. You can just call me. I'll be able to help you. I receive calls between 9 a.m. 5 p.m. 5 p.m. I'll be able to support you. Thank you for using the platform, and in case you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. You can visit the school website again, and then go under contact, and then you put in your name, your email address, your subject, and you write your message. We will try to respond to you immediately, or at least within the first 24 hours. Thank you.